Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. 7th class, today we are going to start the exercise of 3rd chapter. As we have completed the translation of this chapter, now it's time to start the exercise. So let's start it. So first of all, they have asked you about find the synonyms of the following words in thesaurus. You are going to find the similar words in your thesaurus. I have done it for you. As you can see at the top of your page, I have written the synonyms of the given words. The first word is festival, and the synonym is day of celebration. Second one is events, and the synonym is things that happen. Third one is tradition, and synonym is customs. Fourth one is culture, synonym is civilization. And the fifth one is devotion, which means loyalty. Okay, so here we have done this portion. Now coming towards B and C portion. In this portion, they have asked you to make sentences. These sentences and the answer of these question has been given to you in your notes, so consult your notes. We are moving towards this option B, encircling the correct option. So first statement is Eid ul-Azha dash festival, religious festival. Eid ul-Azha is the festival for Muslims because Muslims celebrate it. That's why it's a festival of Muslims, not of Sikhs, not of Hindus, and not of Christians. Third option is third statement is Eid ul-Azha is celebrated in the memory of a Nabi's sacrifice. Okay. Fourth one is dash can jointly be sacrificed. Cow, as you know, cow can be jointly sacrificed. Now we have a portion of grammar. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the ones that are about the things, persons that we can count, and from the name you can see that countable nouns are the nouns which we can count, and uncountable nouns are the nouns which we cannot count. Okay, and now there is a question: classify the following nouns into countables and uncountable nouns. Now you are going to separate countable nouns and uncountable nouns. One has been done for you, bag and sand. Now you are going to separate countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns include book, ship, bale, machine, because we can count all these things. But in the case of uncountable nouns, dust, milk, sugar and oil, we cannot count these things because they are uncountable. Now moving towards the adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tell how some things occur, how often something occurs or is done. Adverb of frequency answer the question how often. It tells about how often an incident or how often something occur or done. Now they have given you some example in bold, some example, and the words that are adverb of frequency: always, often, never, seldom, rarely, usually, again, generally, frequently, etc. Here are some example. Muslims always celebrate Eid ul-Azha. Always mean every time, because it's a part of our religion to celebrate Eid ul-Azha. We always celebrate it. It is not about that we celebrated one year and the other year we are not celebrating. So it's telling us about how often and how something occurred. Okay, he seldom come here. Seldom means rarely. He often makes mistake. Okay, he often makes mistake. वो अक्सर जो है वो गलतियाँ करती है. So often is adverb of frequency because it's telling how often something occur or done. Now you are going to fill these blanks by using adverb of frequency. So in the first sentence you can see my aunt is usually in a great hurry. My father sometimes takes us out from dinner. Ahmad regularly wants to play cricket on a holiday. My sister rarely helps mother in the household work. Eid is always a happy occasion for the poor people. So we put adverb of frequency in this blank. So this is the last part, as we have jumped from page number 3 to page number 33 to page number 37, and this is the last portion of your exercise. They have asked you about write the following sentences under relevant boxes. They have given you two boxes, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. So you are going to separate the things that happens in Eid al-Fitr and that are the part of Eid al-Azha. So it's your task, it's your activity, and it's your assignment to complete this task, because you are very well aware of all these things, because Eid al-Azha and Eid al-Fitr are our religious festivals. So that's why I have given this task to you to separate the sentences and write them in these given two boxes. Till then, memorize all the stuff that I told you, that I taught you, and I hope you have understood it. So inshallah we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.